I've tried to be fair tonight and balance the music stories with both the Celtic and the Native American. But this next song is all Celtic. On my father's side, I've traced my ancestry back to the Scottish Highlands, the County Ayr, and the Clan Kennedy. I've been to Scotland once, to the Glasgow Celtic Connection Music Festival. Got to play with a Scottish band who sang everything in Gaelic. I didn't understand a thing they said. But I did get Gaelic right, because if you say Gaelic, now you're Irish. But if you say Gaelic, now you're Scottish. I don't know if I'm making it better or worse. I've been in fiddle contests where tuning was optional, though. We like to be in tune here, don't we, V? So while I was over there in Scotland, there was a lot of fiddle players. Everybody's carrying a fiddle case. I learned a fiddle tune called the Loch Lomond Castle. You know, beautiful little reel. I brought it home, messed around with it, Arvelized it, and pretty soon it became something altogether different, altogether new. Something I'd call now the Rockness Monster! Brian, the Rockness monster.